Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss about how to control type 2 diabetes with GlucoTrust. GlucoTrust, a dietary supplement marketed as a natural alternative to help control blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with type 2 diabetes or high blood sugar. Here are some key points on how GlucoTrust is claimed to help control type 2 diabetes and blood sugar levels. Buy GlucoTrust from official website. Check below in description. Natural supplement. GlucoTrust is a natural dietary supplement containing a blend of vitamins, herbs, extracts, and minerals. Balances hormones. It aims to regulate blood sugar levels by balancing hormones in the body. Weight management. GlucoTrust may support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism and reducing cravings for junk food. Improved blood circulation. It is claimed to enhance blood circulation, which can have a positive impact on overall health. Reduces sugar cravings. The supplement is said to help reduce cravings for sugary foods and snacks. GlucoTrust is free from GMOs and harsh chemicals, emphasizing its health benefits. Users have reported reduced blood sugar levels and better sleep. Check real customer review link in the description. All backed by our 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. And in addition, by ordering a 180 or 90-day supply of GlucoTrust, you'll also receive a special bonus package. Buy GlucoTrust from official website. Check below in description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.